Guangzhou KLC Clean Tech Company Limited was established in 2005, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of air filters, air purification equipment, and cleanroom solutions. Located in Guangzhou, China, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. KLC Factory covers an area of 7,000 square meters and has more than 150 employees. Owning the advanced production processing and highly automated machine lines, equipped with a dust-free production workshop, KLC is always capable of meeting production requirements of large projects. Along with our excellent teams focusing on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running, KLC has built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards such as ISO 9001. Till now, our products and production technology have obtained dozens of national patents and international certification such as CE, UL. Dedicated to the strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, we welcome OEM and ODM orders. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, KLC have had a reliable reputation among our customers all over the world because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.